Assalamu alaikum. My name is Sheikh Ahmed, working profession, and my question to Brother Zakir is, what is the significance of raising our hands while saying takbir during Salah?
The brother asked a question that what is the significance of raising the hands when we say takbir in Salah? Hands are a symbol of power and force. When we Muslims raise the hand in Salah, it mainly signifies three things. First, we are submitting to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. By raising our hands, we are signifying so as to say that, oh Allah, I submit to you. Like how when we want a person to surrender, we say hands up. Police says hands up to the robber. Indirectly telling him that you surrender. So when we do hands up, we are surrendering to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And simultaneously, when we raise a hand, it also signifies the glorification of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. By action as well as by words. Allahu Akbar. Allah is the greatest. And besides that, when we raise a hand and fold it over the chest, we are giving a signal that I am facing my back toward the worldly affairs and giving up everything to concentrate on the worship of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Hope that answers the question.